What's up people, Greg with PizzlesTechTime, back again with another video. Today we're going to be talking about my experience using Samsung Care Plus, and I'm going to contrast that with my experience using Asurion over the years. If you followed my channel for many years, you know that I had many problems with Asurion, my package getting stolen, them sending a device with a cracked screen. There's just so many videos that I did on this. I'll leave that saga of videos down in the description and maybe put one right up there. So I'm not going to get into that heavily today, but what I am going to tell you is I was not happy with Asurion. They seem to screw up everything along the way at some point. Maybe I just had a bad experience. I think overscale, their company doesn't do a great job of helping customers, and maybe they're a good insurance company, maybe they're profitable, but for the customer, for me personally, I did not like using Asurion. That being said, guys, Samsung Care is probably a part of Asurion, but what happens with Samsung Care is because they make the devices and they make everything in-house, when you need a replacement device, it is cheaper. The deductible is $100 compared to the $250 that I paid from Asurion in the past. That is crazy, less than half the price. They have access to the devices because they make them themselves. Also, they do offer a same-day repair service, but it's more for a broken glass. They basically looked at my phone, plugged it in, said it was a charger issue, said that Samsung insurance does not cover that, and it would be $100 to replace the USB-C. The technician then offered me some great advice and said, just tell Samsung that we can't fix it and you need a replacement device. After doing that, guys, I waited over 10 days. I got no emails from Samsung. I'm just not receiving emails from Samsung anymore, and I don't know what I'm going to be able to do to fix it, but for whatever reason, I'm not getting emails from them. So I contacted them and they told me it was a stock issue. They don't have any more of the S22 Ultras in the 1 terabyte that I had initially bought. After about 2 days after that phone call, they told me, don't worry, it will be there soon. I got a notification that a package was being delivered from FedEx, and what did they send me, guys? They sent me a brand new S23 Ultra, which is a year upgraded model from the phone that I initially had purchased. The phone was in a repurposed package. It wasn't a brand new phone or anything like that. I was super excited. The phone was in perfect condition. It works perfectly. It's the same storage. I paid $100 for the replacement of my phone, and I got a brand new upgraded phone, guys. I don't think that would really ever happen with Asurion unless your phone is very old. I mean, that phone was only a year or two old, so the fact that they didn't have any broken ones in stock, it was probably a little bit strange. Probably not going to happen often. With Asurion, they'll usually send you a refurbished device. With the ones that I got from them in the past, it has been pretty horrible. Just to get my Galaxy S20 Ultra fixed, I had to buy it from Amazon and then ask to be reimbursed from Asurion, plus the $250 deductible. Complete nightmare, guys. I did have a long time waiting from Samsung with no contact, but I only paid $100 and I got a brand new phone. A lot better than my experience with Asurion. This is just my experience and your experience may vary. I like using Samsung Care so much better than having Asurion, so I'm going to keep using Samsung Care Plus, or whatever the new naming scheme is going to be next year. They like to change the names every couple months, which is kind of crazy, but that's Samsung's choice. What do you guys think about phone insurance, Samsung Care Plus or Asurion? Any horror stories or any experiences? I would love to hear it down below, guys. Thank you so much for watching. My name's Greg with PizzlesTechTime. I make tech videos weekly to keep you well informed, educated, and entertained. And until next time, I'm out.